Meet Daryl. Daryl is totally stressed out. He's responsible for IT projects, and he's losing control because he doesn't have what he needs to get them done. He can't call the big consultants because they'll blow his budget and suffocate him with their methodologies. And he dreads the crapshoot of trying to hire contractors. He needs a better way. A friend tells Daryl about Greenlight Consulting and how they focused on her business issues and then assembled their project team with the right skills and culture for her organization. They were flexible and helped her team work more efficiently. Greenlight was committed to her success by planning and managing the entire project through to delivery and implementation. Just what Daryl needs: a company with successful enterprise IT experience that gets the job done. Working with Greenlight gives him control and insight so he can speak effectively with upper management. His projects gain traction and he has confidence in their success. Now Daryl has the time for new challenges.